You guys can see my husband going crazy. Welcome to another Angel on the Go video. And my husband is on his phone, and every time you guys see him on the phone, you guys know he's on the platforms that we sell on.
It's money.
All right, so right now we're in the clearance, and when we first got to the clearance, we were like, this clearance is horrible. They got a bunch of pool stuff, regular price, a bunch of suntan and stuff, regular price, it seems like. They had these for $10, but in the old video we seen them for about $2.65. And then look at the clearance, what we got to over here, you guys. Look at my husband, he can't wait till I start the video. Look, you guys, we showed you guys these prior in a video, and these are the Tomcat mole and gopher repellent. This is the 32 fluid ounces, and it covers 10,000 square foot. So I have no clue how to use this, but my husband is getting all of these because they went from $14.87, or sorry, is that 8? Is that 8 or 6? I don't have my glasses. What does that say? Is that 14?
$14.67.
Okay, you guys, sorry. It went from $14.67, and you guys can see it says $4 here. But when we scanned it, you know what? We're gonna scan it. Scan it from, because you guys are not gonna believe this price. And we've been watching these for a while. Okay, so we're scanning. Look at that, guys. $1. $1. Boom, boom, boom. $1, you guys. If you guys see these in your local Walmart, they're only $1. Stores may vary, but check your Walmart for these. All right, here's the second item, you guys. This is, what's the name of this? Oh, what is it? Bio Advance?
Yeah.
Okay, this is, sorry you guys, the price is covering up the name, but it's Bio Advance, and this is the Brush Killer Plus. We showed you guys these also in a prior video that we did. I think the last time we showed you, they were ringing up the $6 price on the Walmart app. So you guys can see here, the regular price is $12.90. Matter of fact, the regular price is $19.86. Then it went to $12.90. Then it went to $6. And you want to scan it?
Yeah, my bad.
All right, we're going to scan it. So the last time we did this video that you guys seen, they were ringing up $6. But today, they are ringing up a different price. Boom, $2. And look how many they have. What are you going to do?
Snatching every one of them.
All right, so if you guys are looking for the Bio Advance Brush Killer Plus, which is this, and let me show you the UPC. There's the UPC. These went from $19.86 to $12.90 to $6 down to $2, you guys. $2 only on Angel on the Go. All right, this was also in a prior video, you guys. This is why you guys have to be subscribed, because when we find something and then we check again for like the second or third time, it might go down even more in price. This is the Orbit Pro, and this is the sprinkler set, right? Come on, I need your help.
Yeah.
All right, so you guys, this is the 4,000 square foot metal sprinkler set. So the regular price on these, like we showed you guys before, were $19.94. Then it went down to $10. And I'm going to show the UPC before my husband scans it, because the last time we showed you guys these, they were actually 50% off, which was $10. There's the UPC. And can you scan this one? And today, they're only $5, you guys. $5. Look at our cart. I mean, come on, man. For real. This is why we had to get the bigger car. Look at this, you guys.
It is why we need the bigger car.
Look at that. Okay, so remember, you guys, these are only ringing up $1. And these are ringing up $2. All right, up next, we found the Star Wars. And this is the Chewy Bop It. Look how cute this is. And this says ages 8+, 1+ players. And again, that's a Chewy Bop It. So I think this is like the Bop It game. All All right, so you bop it, twist it, and pull it. Let me show you the UPC. And my husband, he's kind of busy, guys. If you guys can see, I don't want to bug him. So I already scanned this with my app, and these are only coming up $4, you guys. $4. I don't know the regular price, but you know it's not 4. All right, so the next time you guys are at Walmart, make sure you guys look out for the Star Wars Chewy. Bop it. They're only $4. All right, you guys, we found these things right here, and we couldn't film inside Walmart because it was way too loud, and he was complaining. All right, so these are Pomsies. What's that say? Because it's blocking it.
Lumies.
Okay, Pomsies Lumies, and we showed these in a prior video. I think the video we showed, how much were they? Like $3?
$3.50 something.
All right, so these are the ones.
Colors are the key to my heart.
It looks like they change color. It says I glow any color I touch.
Hey, that's just what I needed. Let's
It's kind of hard to see because it's so bright out here,
together.
but she glows. There you go. Super cute. Rainbow charged pom-pom pets. And I want to show you the UPC. And let us know below if you guys score these. Boom. Look at this. Regular price $14.97. All the way down to $1. $1. $1. We end up getting a bunch of bags of them. And we'll probably donate these this year along with the other stuff we found yesterday. But look at that. Only $1.